my channel. Today I'm making a really quick and easy shower cleaner or bath and tile cleaner. So it's 2 ingredients, everything you've got in your home already. It's vinegar and dishwashing liquid. So here I've got about 3/4 of a cup of white vinegar that I'm putting into a spray bottle. So this is a great alternative to bath and tile and shower cleaner that you buy from the store. That one can be really expensive, it smells really bad. You usually need to just stay away from it for as long as you can. But this one is made with 2 simple ingredients, just the vinegar and the dishwashing liquid. I'm using this one, you can use whatever you've got around. I usually put in about 2 big squirts of dishwashing liquid that'll mix in with the vinegar, and then that's it. I'm going to give it a bit of a... I'm not going to shake it, I'm just going to swirl it, otherwise it'll suds up. And now we can move to the bathroom. That is so simple and it works a treat. It probably cost me about 10 cents, if that. So really cheap. Let's move to the bathroom and I'll show you how it works. So all I'm going to do is grab my spray and I'm just going to give my bath a really good spray and leave it for about half an hour.
I'm gonna make a mistake, I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.